Hey there again, everyone. This is Jon Thai from Hatch Duo. I'm here again to talk a little bit more about AR, VR, and XR, wearable glass applications for augmented reality, virtual reality, mixed reality. So you all may have thought that, mixed reality glasses may have been kind of a trendy phase and that maybe it would fizzle out because of what we've seen with Google Glass and things like that. But ultimately, as we've seen with Apple's newest release with Vision Pro, and Raybans and Meta, it's still coming on strong and it's trending. And even at CES, we saw a lot of examples. I think we saw 7 different glasses live where there are different applications of either augmented reality or mixed reality glasses. Even some friends in the industry that we know of are in the space as well. And Hatch Duo finds this technology very important because we ourselves work primarily in high-tech wearable space. We've done projects for companies such as Third Eye Gen doing mixed reality glasses. And so we definitely find this technology interesting. Looking at some of these technologies, the designs are starting to get there. And so from a perspective of a designer, I think it's really important to think about how do we integrate these technologies in a way where users are actually going to want to wear them. Like, we've had our own experience designing around some of these display technologies, and it's pretty challenging because there's certain distances they need to be from the eye, there's certain weights, there's certain computing power for thermal management. Things of that nature really cause the engineering of the parts to be quite large. And so how do you juggle that with human factors? How do you juggle that with aesthetics? How do you juggle that with the comparison, the natural comparison of smart glasses to regular glasses from a fashion standpoint? And how do you bridge the two so that someone comfortable wearing it where they don't look like a goofball? What's interesting about it is the display technology and the application for wearable personal computing in particular. I think one of our friends, Rohildev, has a company called Nemo Planet where they're doing a mixed reality glasses where you can have a multitude of desktop screens within your space, all within the privacy worn on your glasses. I think that's pretty cool. And so thinking about what the next level of personal computing will be and seeing how these display technologies are getting smaller and more miniaturized, I think we're still not there yet. They're still pretty bulky, but if you actually zoom out and look year over year, each year we're starting to get smaller and smaller and getting closer and closer to a 1-to-1 ratio of glasses that we would fashionably wear. And I think once the technology gets to that point, that's when you're going to see mass adoption. So in terms of the trends that I'm predicting, I do think we're going to eventually see more and more personal worn eyewear screens. What that looks like kind of depends on how fashion converges with the technology miniaturization of the display modules and prisms. And as that converges and gets to like a Goldilocks point, I think everyone's going to be wearing some form of smart glasses in the future. In terms of digital applications too, I think this is going to open a lot of opportunity for UX and experience designers because of the new digital platforms and media. Now we can design for AR, VR, and mixed reality in a multitude of different ways. And so some of the visual experiences that we're maybe currently attuned to, it's going to exponentially evolve with the opening of these different landscapes that people can design for in the virtual world. And with that, if you liked what you're hearing on some of my short, brief thoughts about AR, VR, and mixed reality glasses, give us a like, subscribe down below, give us a follow, and until next time, let's hatch awesome.